Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day. It is my 272nd Floss Tube. Today is March 18th, 2025, and I have my cup for March. It's this one, and of course we're having Simple Truth green tea with jasmine. So how's everybody doing? I see we made it to another week. Holy cow, last week was, yeah, it was a bit windy, but other than that, I mean, the weather was in the 50s, so yay. And I seem to have just been stuck on about 9 things. I know. We had 3 reviews, 3 starts, and 3 other projects. And that is all that I worked on last week. So, we have our little book as well. I'm going to set it over there so I don't spill anything on it. So let's go through what I started. Now, this one is Dust After Rain, and it was from Biggest Craft. This is the only picture I have of it. I haven't cut it out of the box yet. So, yeah, I didn't get any further with that one. Just what we worked on in that beautiful, it looks like a, I'll flip it, maybe, so you can see, holy cow, it's stiff. That beautiful, like, tealish color. It's like a medium teal. It's not real dark, but yeah. So, I'll have to work some more on it. You'll see here in a minute what I really got stuck on. And we also had a start with one I got from Fan Sales. Fan Sales, if I could just talk. Oh my goodness. We're having a day. Some days that is a little warm. So this is Peonies and Fan. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all its gorgeous, stunning colors. Yep. And it is 11 count. The last one was 14 count from with Egyptian cotton. Sorry. And the only thing we got done here was that beautiful red that I put in there. So, yeah, it'll have to stay out because I really want to work with all those colors, but I keep getting distracted by one, and we'll see which one that is. It's the next one that I got from New Craft Day, 14 count Egyptian cotton, and it is what I'm trying to figure out. Oh, it goes sideways. What I call Beautiful Village. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love all the pink trees. I like the buildings, the roofs, and everything. Put that back in there before I lose it. So yeah, I got a little distracted. So every chance that I got, now this is from the top. So let me just fold it this way. So I about got that roof done. I never got back to finishing that roof. But isn't that gorgeous? Ugh, can you ever? And then I got tired of working on the brown. Let me fold it this way. And started working on the trees that will come right down across there. So yeah, I really like working on this. It's easy to work on, easy to see all the symbols. It's awesome. Yeah, it's my new love. Between that and Colorful Town and Riverside Building Night Moon. And can I get it back in the bag? Of course, I decided to put it in a smaller bag. Yeah, instead of one of the ginormous ones. So, don't know why, but it just kind of fit, and I figured it'll get even more crunched down after we keep going. But so far, that was all the starts. And we worked on this week. This is what I call cats and fish, or fishes. And it looks like this. Isn't that pretty? I just love all the greens and the reddish stuff in there. And of course I like the koi and the cats. So I'm down to working on the white in this cat. So we'll see. I did stitch on it a little bit more. I'm trying to get the thread out of the way. Whoop. We'll do it that way so it doesn't go through. So I started over here in this corner, right where that red starts. So I just got that basic little bit right there done. And worked some more on the greens up there. But it's not a hard stitch. You know, there'll be a little bit of back stitching, but it's truly not that big of a deal. I did work on, do you remember the 3 cats? They were kind of tortoiseshell cats with like a blue coverlet behind them. I put 2 threads in that, so it's not worth mentioning hardly, but yeah, so I got that out because I really wanted to work on that. Now we also worked on, sorry if there's a sticker in the way, the lady stitching. So I'm liking these small ones, you know, you can just hold in your hand. So we're working on, it goes this way, Laura, it goes that way. Working on her shirt coming across there. So we'll keep that up. Still got my thread and needle in there. But just a few more tidbits. I did start working over there in that corner. And it's a partial too, so yay. Like it. Now I don't know. Let me look at something. Yeah, the cats and fish, they're full coverage. So I wasn't real sure. And yesterday we worked on this one. I call it Victorian Twilight, and basically I've been working right here in this lady. So let me see if I can get it. There's a thread there. Where in the world? Oh, I folded that up just to hold the thread. So we've been working on her and getting her coat and her dress and everything done there. And I did a little bit on the building over here. Now this brown is one of the mixed colors, so yeah. I just put one thing in that. I don't know where that brown goes, but we'll just put it in with that. But that, guys, is everything that I worked on last week. Now I should be getting my order from I'm trying to turn this around without dropping it. Cheers. My order from AliExpress, and when I order big from AliExpress, I never know if it's going to be just one or if it's going to be 3 or 4 or whatever. So we'll add part 1 to whatever it takes to get through it. So yeah. So I don't know when they're coming or anything like that. And we do have one more weekend of, I believe, oh God, I did this before. Let me look. I have a calendar. It's amazing. Let's look. Sunday. So we got one whole week. Yeah, so we have a total of 2 more March weekends. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. I wasn't real sure, so yeah. So we'll be having the color green again for the next 2 weeks. And I have no idea what kit I'm going to use or anything like that, but yeah, it'll be fun. And kind of leaning in April to doing birds as the theme, because they're all doing their spring thing and everything. And May, let's not think that far ahead. I can't. No. So maybe we'll have flowers in May. That's where I was kind of going with all that. But other than that, guys, no grand plans. Not going anywhere. Not doing anything that I can even think of. No. Unless my daughter comes up with something and the weather gets perfectly beautiful, we'll hold our breath. Maybe not. Yeah. Because sometimes that happens and sometimes not so much. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.